Look, he gonna hit it. He gonna hit it.
Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to talk about other stuff that we do at Jekyll and Hyde. So again, not only wraps, not only PPF, not only wheels, not only tin, but we do performance. So let's talk about kind of performance that we do. Today, we are installing a FI exhaust, which is frequency intelligence, right? So this exhaust is really getting popular in the marketplace today, and we are a direct distributor and installer for FI exhaust. So this is our performance shop over here, and we have a 488 GTB 2018 in black with a regular exhaust on it right now. So right now we did a little test. I think it was almost like 120, 117, between 110 and 120 decibels, I think, on the exhaust. Sounds kind of lame the way it is today, but once we put the FI exhaust on, this bad boy is gonna be a beast. So we are putting a stainless steel exhaust on by Frequency Intelligence. This exhaust is their version 200, and we have titanium blue tips on this one too. What this does come with is a full remote Bluetooth app. So this is a remote that it comes with where you can control the valves on the exhaust. I believe in 3 different stages, with them fully open, half open, and closed. So you can change that right off your remote key or your Bluetooth app that it comes with. And we're going to get into this vehicle and we'll strip all the exhaust out, rewire the Bluetooth app on there, go through the O2 sensors as well, and remap everything, and then we'll have an FI exhaust in this car.